I give you my heart.
Morning, guys. I've been up for a little while. I had to wait till it got warm. I wanted it really nice out, so I got Saturday off. My boss was really cool. Thanks, Steve, for letting me get the Saturday off. So I got today and tomorrow. It's 11 o'clock. I've been up since 6, but it was cold out and I wanted it to be really nice, like I said. So anyway, I got all day. I'm gonna go down and check the tent guy out real quick, get some lunch, and I'm gonna come back and I'm taking everything out the car. I got the alternator out here right now, the belt, all the other tools, and everything I've showed you guys already. Get these good 4-channel RCA cables in today too. I gotta take all that stuff out, so it's gonna be good. Between today and tomorrow, I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna show you guys everything. Go out there and play a few songs before I dismantle the whole thing. I got the car parked out here ready. It's a little dirty. It's been dusty and windy lately, but it's kind of nice today, boy. So glad of that. I mean, it's supposed to rain tomorrow afternoon, but I should have most of this done. I don't know if I'll have a chance to do the wall or anything, but maybe, because I got to work Monday. I got to get up super early. But we'll go out here, check this out. A couple songs real quick, and then we got to dismantle this whole thing. We're got to take out this box. That way I run the wires. I'm going to rerun a lot of these wires. I'm not going to rerun all the wires, but except for the 4 channels that I showed you. I'm going to take out those other ones because I got the line converter. It's right here. See? It's sticking down. That's for the highs and mids. And then I got this wire like all shady, like put in through that hole. I had to because I couldn't do nothing without moving this. So that's going to be changed. The wire, I got wire loom, so the wire's going to be running through those. I would really love to get these subs in the back seat somehow. That way I have the whole trunk. Because I want to get some lithium batteries or an excess power battery or something. You know, because I got so much wire back here and stuff. I want to have more room. But that's what the plan is, guys. So I'm going to get started on this. And I'll shoot a little demo real quick before I dismantle it, and then we'll see it before and after of the alternator. Can't wait to get that thing hooked in. The alternator and the Big 3, it's going to be really nice. I got that 0-gauge wire like I showed you guys, and I mean that stuff is really heavy. The 20-foot piece is. I got a 10-foot piece too. It's 2 5-foot pieces. This is the 2 5-foot pieces. Welding cable. This stuff, I recommend this stuff. I mean, some people like it, some people hate it, but I love it. To me, it's the best. It makes my amps, since I've been using this stuff, they used to get hot, but even without the alternator upgrade, they don't get hot. Now the Smart 3 will go into protect for low voltage. That's why I got to do the alternator and get some more batteries. But this wire alone is a big upgrade, guys, and I'm doing the Big 3, so I'll have a good ground. I'll put one of those wires, the black ones, to the ground for the battery, 0-gauge instead of the 4-gauge factory. Same thing with the positive wire from the alternator. So this wire is really heavy. Anyway, let's check out a couple songs, and then we'll get on this after lunch. And there's the old Hot Wheels. I love it, man. Give me some more stickers. All right, let's check it out.
This is DJ Rusty Bonce. Rusty double all out with underdog. Get on this microphone. But my boys take it out. That's just double records. Trying to do this. Trying to do this. Read up the cast, get your eye, right? Like it's got my trying to smack that nigga. And on that block without the way. But you don't hear me, no. Tick-tock forever, whenever, international. Swim off that bass, motion like OGs. Burning blood, rap trees and squeeze. All my enemies, I put that magic for that play. Just a plan, I like the glad I made it, they can't fake. You know that play, you hate it. I goes way back, woke up, packed my strap and made this. Killing me off like a disease, chronically contained.
Got a twist of funk in my trunk for this round relation. Tryna do this thing all across the nation. Bring a boat, you gotta keep it real with me. Yeah. Got a twist of funk in my trunk for this round relation. Tryna do this thing all across the nation. Bring a boat, you gotta keep it real with me.
It's like General Major, the boy got flavor. See, 24 weeks like an alligator. Players, international look, where we made it. Shit, crack, and yeah, I got half a spray. Cooking them, it's like an arcade. Kids, Stargate, selling arcades. So may I'm the one that comes to $1. Any big city, close by the border. Oh, colors, design, fashion on it. But some lips can trick. It's like say it in the shit like a train with a split bit. Let me know the lines again. Still candy, we kill on Revelations straight across the nation.
Tryna do this thing. For this round relation, tryna do this thing all across the nation. Bring a boat, you gotta
Shine blowing up this microphone, put it down like it's supposed to be put down for the revelation. You know what I'm saying? Got my boy Mac Trey through here, D-Con through here, JT through here, we got Mark through here. We all got a twist with funk, but twist the day and twist that vibe that'll make you say, dang. You know what I'm saying? But we're about to bounce and we'll ride. See ya, see ya, see ya, see ya, see ya.
This is DJ Ruster.
Hell yeah, guys.
DJ Ruster.
I got bitches in the living room getting it on, and they ain't leaving till 6 in the morning. So what you wanna do? Shit, I got a pocket full of rubbers and my homeboys do too. So turn off the lights and close the door. But for what? We don't love the party. Yeah. So we gon' smoke the house to that. You gotta get yours, but fool, I gotta get mine. Everything is fine.
All right, guys, I gotta get this stuff out of the car and put that alternator in. It's going on 12. Just wanted to give you all a little something to listen to real quick. I'll post more as my progress goes, as I take stuff out, but I'll go ahead and shoot this video and put it online for y'all. Anyway, please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for all the support, guys. Thanks for all the new subscribers, man. We're doing really good. We're 200 and something. I think like 217. I'm not for sure. I might be wrong. It might be 212 or something. Doesn't matter though. I do this to help y'all and so we all enjoy it. You know, I like to see your guys' stuff too. So post your channel in my comment section and I'll give it a check. I'll check it out and give it a listen to, and I'll subscribe to you also. No matter how big, how small, you like it, I love it. All right, guys, see you guys in a little while. Late.
Get my cup down, single red, put it up, but ain't no stopping. I'm still popping. I got some bitches from the city, got them to slurp.